Metaphysics, a fundamental branch of philosophy, is concerned with the nature of reality, existence, and the underlying principles that govern the universe. It seeks to answer some of the most profound questions about life, such as what exists, what it means to exist, how entities relate to each other within the framework of reality. Throughout history, metaphysics has evolved alongside human thoughts, with philosophers offering various interpretations and theories to explain the nature of being and the cosmos. The term metaphysics originates from the works of Aristotle compiled by his followers under the title Metaphysics, after physics, referring to the study of the topic beyond the physical world. However, metaphysical inquiries existed even before Aristotle in the philosophies of the pre-Socratic thinkers who ponders the fundamental nature of universe. Thales, Anaximander, and the Parmenid, among others, sought to determine the primarily substance of existence and the principles governing change and permanence. Plato, Aristotle further developed metaphysical thought by introducing the concept of form. Plato and the distinctions between potentiality and actuality. Aristotle, Plato posited that reality is divided into the world of senses, the world of ideals, form, where true knowledge resides. Aristotle, on the other hand, argued for the existence of substances that contain both matter and the form, emphasizing the importance of causality in understanding reality. Metaphysics is broadly divided into several key areas of inquiry. Ontology. Ontology is a study of the being and existence. It seeks to classify and understand different categories of being, such as physical object, abstract concept, and consciousness. Questions such as what does it mean to exist? Do abstract entities like numbers and moral values have independent existence? Are central to ontology. Cosmology. This branch of metaphysics deals with the origin and structure of the universe. It explores questions related to the nature of time, space, causality, and the laws that govern the cosmos. Philosophers and scientists alike have sought explanations for the existence of the universe, leading to debate between materialism and the view that only physical matter exists, and the idealism, the view that reality is fundamental, mental, or spiritual. Theology and physical theism. Metaphysics often intersects with religious theological discussions. Concept of God, divine existence, and the nature of spiritual reality have been central topic in metaphysical debate. Argument such as the cosmological argument, the teleological arguments, and the ontological argument attempt to prove and disprove the existence of the higher being. Mind body dualisms and consciousness. One of the most enduring metaphysical debate is the relationship between the mind and body. Dualisms advocated by thinkers like Rena Descartes argues that mind and matters are distinct substances. Materialistic, on the other hand, claim that consciousness is the product of physical processes in the brain. This debate has significant implications for philosophy, psychology, and artificial intelligence. In contemporary philosophy, metaphysics remain a vital areas of study despite challenges posed by biological positivism, scientific advancement, logical positivists such as the member of the Vienna Circle argued that metaphysical claims are meaningless unless they can be empirically verified. However, many modern philosophers have revived metaphysical discussions, particularly in the field of metaphysical realism, model logics, and the philosophy of time. The relationship between metaphysics and science is also as an important topic of discussions, while some argue that scientific discoveries replace the need for metaphysical speculation. Other contend that science itself relies on metaphysical assumptions such as the existence of causality and the uniformity of nature. Metaphysics continue to be a profound and essential field of philosophy, shaping our understanding of the reality and existence. Despite its abstract nature, it influences various disciplines, including science, religion, and ethics. By exploring fundamental questions about being, the universe, and consciousness, metaphysics provides a framework through which we can better understand our place in the cosmos. As human knowledge progresses, metaphysics will undoubtedly continue to evolve, offering new insight into the nature of reality.